Ribs in the pressure cooker, Instant Pot. The dry rub, 2 tablespoons of dry mustard, 1 teaspoon cumin, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons pepper, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 teaspoons salt. And that is it. So we've got our 6 pounds about of pork here, our ribs. And we are putting our dry rub on and rubbing it in. Get those yummy flavors going. You could always adjust the dry rub to your liking as well. So now we put it in the pot and you curl it around the edges of the pot. Snug in a rug. We got a lot of meat here. This is an 8-quart Instant Pot, by the way. So now we have 4 cups of apple juice. Actually, we used orange peach apple juice. And there is also an 1/8 of a cup of apple cider vinegar as well. Pour that into the pot. Try not to get the juices all over the dry rub. You want the dry rub to stick on there. Close it up. Make sure it's not on vent, but it's on seal. And then we want to set it to meat and stew for 20 minutes. Let it cook. So now we're back and this is what it looks like and it smelled amazing. So now we got to put it in the oven on broil for 5 minutes. If you want it like a little bit crispier, you could always put a little bit more, depending on your liking again. But we're going to put some barbecue sauce on right now. Delicious. So we are using Diana sauce. So good. There's a few different types of this stuff, but it's pretty darn yummy. Use any barbecue sauce you like, homemade or whatever. Place it in the oven and look at the magic. Look at this. Gorgeous, tender ribs. Delicious. And kid approved, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Good eats. Bye.